Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Swiss Army Dan coming at you with another Swiss Army knife video. Today, people, I just wanted to show you my latest addition to the collection, and that is one of these Alox limited edition Cadets, actually. This is the 2019. It comes in this special, very nice looking packaging. So Victorinox, they started releasing limited edition knives for their Alox starting in 2015, and they always include the Pioneer, the Cadet, and an Alox Classic. So yeah, there's a little literature that comes with that. Very nice. So there's 6 of them now. The latest year, the 2020, is like an aqua blue color. But this is champagne gold is what they call it, which I think is very nice. Also on the back, it tells you what year your limited edition Alox knife is, 2019, obviously. But it's just a standard Cadet. You can find a bunch of videos on YouTube that talk about the Cadet and what a cool, pocketable EDC kind of simple but very useful knife it is. It's a great model with the can opener screwdriver, cap lifter screwdriver with wire stripper, a large blade, and I noticed the knurl on the nail file is different this year. It's got this just like straight cuts around here. Usually there's like a little border and like a sandpaper type of surface in there for the knurl. Not sure why they changed it, but I am glad to have one of the new iterations of this nail file. Like I said, you can find tons of information on the Cadet on YouTube. Just wanted to show you this really cool limited edition one. I do like this this champagne gold color a lot. I want to get one of those olive drab limited editions. I think those are pretty slick. But yeah, it makes me want to get the rest of them, like every year, every model, of course. What about you guys? Do you guys collect these? Are you into them? Do you think they're cool or not? It's probably different for everybody, but anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. It's been a while since I posted a video. I hope all of you guys have been doing well, and I appreciate all your comments and support. Remember to be kind to each other, people. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Swiss Army Dan is out.